Melia jasmine is a shrub. It covers the ground with its shrubby habit. It is used as a flowering evergreen spilling out of the containers, or can be used as a filler that spreads the space between the two shrubs. And the white flowers looks great during the summer. And these are the pinwheels, commonly known as pinwheels or crepe jasmine. It is an evergreen shrub and blooms heavily during the spring and also the summer until early fall. And rounded shrub is perfect for a small garden or a container garden. And next comes these beautiful alamandas. And this alamandas is a beautiful flowering plant that is available in different attractive colors. It is also known as golden trumpet and yellow bell, but this variety is like onion color or the red one. It grows very fast and it blooms mainly during summer and monsoons also. It can be used for the flowering bed and the shrub covers and as a hedge container or climbing shrubs. Different colors are available with me, and I love almost all of the colors. And the size of the flowers are much bigger nowadays, and they are just a size of a hibiscus flower. So beautifully bloom, and this is a great option of flowering plants during summer. Summer can be a tough season for many of the plants, but not for Bhinka. It is a beautiful, colorful, and vibrant shrub that fits perfectly almost everywhere and anywhere in the garden. Abundant flowers blooms continuously throughout the summer, though only desi variety, which is not the hybrid one, can last for the rainy seasons. Just have a look on these beautiful colors of the vinca flowers in our garden. Almost all varieties, all colors looks very nice in every corner, every part of the garden. The marigold flowers thrives in full sunshine and can be a very good option during this hot summer. Blooms well all through the summer and may not be exist during this early rainy seasons or monsoons. The summer season is the best season for these hydrangeas. It starts blooming from the early springs and lasts up to the summer. And these beautiful plants are ever grown in the plant garden and for outdoor beauty, for the decoration at home or decoration in the bridal banquets. Hydrangeas are to go to the plant to many of the gardens. Different sets from a single plant attracts everyone. The best flowering choice plant for summer and early rain. Just look at these bunches of the flowers. That's a quite heavy that the stems bows down, and it's a very beautiful plant, and especially the flowering plant during early spring and lasts up to summer and it's truly amazing plant. If you have never grown, then in this season you just plant it one. Roses difficult to grow? Don't roses need a special care or maintenance? Are not these roses only specialized for the experienced gardeners? And the answer for all these questions is a big no. It blooms all round the year and so as in summer. Though the size of these flowers are little smaller than the winter one, and but these bunches of roses makes everyone happy during these scorchy heats of the summer. So just have a look over the colors collections that I have and just look at these beautiful bunches of birds. And these are the colors that I have in my garden. The plants are quite healthy and filled with lots of birds are yet to bloom and still in the full phase of its blooming during this summer. These beautiful bunches of roses never felt the heat of the summer and they are happy. This Chrysanthemum is among the few plants that provides months of lovely blooms. Best plant to be planted during the spring and grows moderate to fast if it gains all right amount of light moisture requirements and attracts pollinators and varied colors. I have only these few colors which are great for this season. These Nerium flowers or Kaner in Hindi is very common in almost all areas of India, and this is the pink one which I have grown in a pot, and it is a great option during summer and almost all seasons are suitable for its flowering. These Musandas is a very good flowering plant for the warmer months of the year, and they have a strong and color which provides a beautiful show in the garden. We can spot them from a long distance, and many colors are available in the market, but I have only the red one in my garden. Everybody knows that these calanchus only blooms during the winter, but as per my experience, I have experienced that using this summer, I found these flowers are blooming, and I have right now the yellow one and also the pink one. So many birds are also available, and they are for me the summer blooming plant. When flowering comes, then hibiscus cannot be left behind. Several plants native to warmer climates, and these are the perennial flowering plants, blooms heavily during the summer and also rainy seasons. Different colors are available, and I have many different colors. So just enjoy with me these exotic, beautiful colors in my garden. And gardening is never complete without this beautiful flower. So almost all colors are just vibrant and they offer a beautiful look to the garden and different definition, I must say. So guys, these are the beautiful collections of hibiscus in our garden. So very soon I will upload the different compilation of this beautiful hibiscus, and till now I'm compiling. So soon I will upload it. And if you are new to my channel, I request you to please subscribe. And this is the yellow one and yellow orange one. So these are all together gives my garden different color. This variety of Nerium, commonly called as Caravera, and it's a beautiful flower and blossoms of fragrant pink flowers in bunches, and the tip of branchlets rendering an eye-catching sight for all gardeners and all viewers. Or Euphorbia milli is a thorn plant, but this variety of Euphorbia milli is a thornless plant and blossoms all year around the year, and especially a good option for summer seasons. Some different varieties of Euphorbia milli are also available, which are commonly the thorn variety, having a red color or pink color, also available in the market. So let's not forget about this bougainvilleas. So bougainvilleas nowadays is a great option for almost all gardens. So different hybrid varieties with variegated leaves are also available these days in the market. Guys, this is a Tibu China flower, and it is a very good flowering plant during the summer. So now the time for these beautiful porcelains. These porcelains have different varieties of colors, and it is a eatable plant, and also these beautiful colors adds a beauty to our garden. We are talking about these flowerings, so let's not forget about these adeniums. So adeniums have a strong vibrancy of colors of flowers, and this is mostly known for its stem, for its beautification in growth, and but we cannot forget about its flower. So this one is with me, and many other varieties are available in the market. So guys, we can never forget about these beautiful izoras, which are blooming heavily during the summer. Also they bloom during the early monsoons, and different colors are there in the market, and I am going to show some of them. The bunches are so big these days, and flowering heavily during this season, and just in a small pot they are growing so vast. So guys, so how can we forget about these beautiful plumerias? So this vibrancy of the colors, just have a look. And you can have a tree option. If you are a container gardener, then you can make a tree option in your garden. And I'm also growing it in a small pot, and the vibrancy of the color truly adds a different definition in my garden.